All right, George JV Sports Cards here. We're doing a case of Spectra basketball, 14-15 Spectra. This is pick your team number 10. We went a little out of order here. We can go at 10. 10 was filling up first. This is how the way the store was situated. So pick your team number 10. We still have 8 and 9 up in the store if you guys want to grab some spots. Good luck, guys. Box number 1. All right, base off the back, Steph Curry for the Warriors. Patrick, 23 of 25. Steph Curry die cut red. Next, we got Jeremy Lin for the Lakers. Fontaine in the Lakers, 35 of 75. Next up, jersey card for the Rockets, Dwight Howard and the Rockets. Fontaine, it's number 20 of 25. Dwight Howard. Next, we got for the Jazz, Karl Malone for the Jazz. Jersey, Boston's dad, 7 of 25. Next, we got for the Thunder, Mitch McGary. 3-color patch autograph, blue. Thunder is gem mint. It's number 18 of 99. Next, we got a random 600 points. So this first one will be random. Random to everybody. Next up, we got KJ McDaniels for the Sixers. KJ McDaniels for Yandel James. Jersey autograph. Next up, we got some gold. Chris Bosh for the Heat. 2-color patch autograph. Card Shark, 36 in the Heat. Nice one there. Number 4 of 10. 4 of 10. Chris Bosh. And another nice one. 2-color patch autograph, Jabari Parker. Jabari Parker for the Bucks and Cyrus. We'll go Cyrus. Jabari Parker. Good color on that one. Yo, Cyrus, man. Box number 2, guys. Good luck. No points in this one. The case hit. Nay, Global Icons. 1 per case for the Wizards. Have a nice day in the Wizards. Next up, we got Mike Conley for the Grizz. Mike Conley is 75. James and the Grizz, 48 of 75. Next, we got some Giannis. Blue base, number 249. 12 of 49 for the Bucks and Cyrus. Next, we got for the Hornets, Noah Vonleh. Grouch. Jumbo jersey in the Hornets, Noah Vonleh. That's number 32 of 49. Next up, we got some green. Green. 2-color patch. Karl Malone. Boston's dad and the Jazz. Boston's dad and the Jazz. That's numbered 1 of 5. 1 of 5. There you go, Paul. Next up, nice little patch on that one. Kyle Anderson, 3-color for the Spurs. Adrian Flow. Kyle Anderson. Next up, we got for the Pacers, Luis Scola. 4-color patch autograph for those lowly Pacers. Pacers is Hockey Con, Kelly. That's 8 of 25. 8 of 25. 4-color patch, Luis Scola. Next, we got for the Nuggets, Gary Harris. 3-color patch for the Nuggets. Cyrus. RPA. Next up, we got for the Heat, another 3-color patch. Getting some nice patches on the base RPAs. Shabazz Napier. Card Shark and the Heat. And last hit goes to the Blazers. Clyde the Glide. Razor 1951 in the Blazers. That's number 19 of 35. Nice one there. Razor 1951. Jersey autograph. Alright, box number 3.
He's passed every step, every stage. He's practiced 2 days in a row and been fine. I feel great, honestly. These last 2 days, I feel like I don't know when that. That's small fine tune. I've been, just trying to.
2 blue base box. First of the 2, DeMarcus Cousins. DeMarcus Cousins for the Kings. James and the Kings. 8 of 49. Next up, we got Dennis Schroeder, blue. for the Hawks, the Bus, Frank, 5 of 49. Next, we got Jeff Green for the Grizz. Yandel and the Grizz, James, 16 of 75. Next up, we have, oh, that's nice. Next up, we have for the Raptors, ADC 777. You got DeMar DeRozan, Terrence Ross, 46 of 49. 48, sorry. 48. Nice little card here. For the Knicks, look at that disgusting patch. Cleanthony Early. For the Knicks and DJ Q's. DJ Q's. Nice little patch on that one. That is number 2 of 5. 2 of 5. That's it there. Next, we got for the Heat, James Ennis 3-color patch autograph. Card Shark in the Heat, Ennis. Next, for those lowly Pacers, second hits. Lavoy Allen and the Pacers, Kelly, jersey autograph. 35 of 125. Look at the Pacers, man. Getting 2 hits. 2 hits. Next up, we got the Nuggets. Timothy Mozgov and the Nuggets, jersey autograph. Cyrus, 74 of 125. Next up, we have for the Nets, Kenny Anderson, 3-color patch autograph. Dekane, orange, 2 of 25. $2.25. Nice hit coming up next. We got a 3-color patch autograph. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar for the Lakers. Orange there. Fontaine. Nice. That's numbered 19 of 25. Nice hit there. Fontaine. Nice, man.
Welcome back to Sports Center from Los Angeles.
T-Box is here. The face looks like still in there. You got a gold base for the Raptors. DeMar DeRozan. EDC and the Raptors, 1 of 10. eBay 1 of 1. First one made. EDC and the Raptors. Next, we got base Kyrie and the Cavs. Cyrus, 75. 16 of 75 for the Cavs. Next, we got Nikola Vukovic for the Magic. Magic is EDC 777. 1 of 25. 1 of 25. Next we got James Ennis for the Heats. We got a 1-of-1 coming up, guys. 1 of 1 coming up. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be for? James Ennis and the Heats. Who wants that 1-of-1? You got 18 of 49 for the Heats. Card Shark. One of 1 black parallel for the Houston Rockets, Tracy McGrady. 1 of 1, eBay 1 of 1, jersey number. Might as well be jersey number. T-Mac for the Rockets. Fontaine and the Rockets. 1 of 1. Congrats, Fontaine, man. Jabbar, now T-Mac. Next up, we got for the Hawks, Adrian Payne and the Hawks, 2-color patch autograph. The Bus, Frank, 51 of 99. 51 of 99, the Bus. Next, we got Cleanthony Early for the Knicks. Cleanthony Early, jersey autograph. Knicks, DJ Q's. DJ Q's in the Knicks. It's numbered 1 of 149. Next up, we got for the Nets, Markel Brown, 2-color patch autograph. Zakane for the Nets. Last hit, pretty nice. 3-color patch autograph for the Suns, Jason Kidd. Jason Kidd and the Suns. The Bus. Nice one there. That's number 24 of 25. 24 of 25, J Kidd. One box left, guys. Good luck. Looks like another points box. Die cut off the back for the Celtics to 25. Bill Russell. Bill Russell, Celtics, Cyrus. It's number 23 of 25. Next, we got Joakim Noah base for the Bulls. Fontaine and the Bulls. It's number 51 of 75. Next, we got jersey. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist for the Hornets. Grouch. 5 of 25. 5 of 25. Next, we got for the Pistons, triple jersey, Grant Hill. Grant Hill for the Pistons, and Sook. Number 10 of 49. 10 of 49, Sook. Triple jersey. Next, we got Joe Harris for the Cavs, jersey autograph. Joe Harris. Cyrus, Cavs. Next, we got 400 points. Second random. Next on, we got Spencer Dinwiddie for the Pistons. 2-color patch autograph. Sook in the Pistons. So next, we got for the Timberwolves, Thaddeus Young and the Timberwolves. Have a nice day. Jersey autograph. 40 of 149. The Timberwolves. And last hit of the break, guys. Goes to the Timberwolves. Nice little patch there on this one. Zach LaVine. Orange 1, 2, 3, 4-color patch autograph. Zach LaVine. Card's really shiny there. There you go. Timberwolves, have a nice day. See you later, James. That's 22 of 25. 22 of 25. All right, next video, guys. One random two with the points. Top team will get 600. Second team will get 400. Appreciate it, guys.